they immediately poop. Woo! Yeah, they poop. What's up, everyone? This is Robot Man, and thanks for watching the Robot Man and Warrior Girl channel. And I have news. It finally happened. It did. It happened just the other night. You see? Those are the eggs, and they hatched just the other day. And they're doing quite well. They're about 2 days old now, and I can tell you that Mom is feeding them. She's taking care of them. And I can tell you, in the next few videos I'm going to show you, I got them in 1 minute breaks on the videos, so you can see what's going on at different times of the day. This first video that I'm going to show you, she's feeding both of them, and she feeds one and takes the food out of its mouth, and then she ends up feeding the weaker one. You're going to notice that one's smaller or a little weaker than the other one. There's a dominant one. There's always a dominant baby out of them all trying to eat most of the food. So he's trying his best to get all the food. In the second video, they're getting fed. And there's a strange thing that happens when the birds get fed. They immediately poop. Woo! Yeah, they poop. And guess what happens? The mom eats the poop. Yeah, you're gonna see it right here. Mom eats the poop. Woo! What? Yeah, she eats it. This shot, little baby bird peeks out for a little bit, and then Mom sits on them. So that's what Mom does. She gets to sit on the babies. Mom eats poop here. And Mom eats poop here again. Here, big brother is holding down little brother, and it's just a hold down, and you can see the neck of the little bird trying to get himself back up. It's like, you know, if like a baby, when the baby's born, the head's like all over the place, and that's what happens with these little guys. They just heads bopping all over the place. So you get to see that. And here is a night video shot. The sun was coming down, it was about 7:30, and the camera automatically clicks to night vision. So it's a kind of cool picture, and they're getting fed again. And Mom eats poop here again. And all I can say is please like and subscribe if you like these videos, and let someone know, because it's pretty cool, you know, to watch nature happening in your yard. Again, like and subscribe. I love you guys. Take care. And there's a few other mom eats poop videos, so get used to it.